Is gró clíne áitiúil muid le Jim Burke agus a bhic Dara agus Donald Burke. Is Misha Linda Lambert agus Tom I Moana Store is Spéiris Customéir I Góir GoBus. Tá SEIRBHÍSÍ Gwyn ó Gaillimh ó Corcaigh ó Bhaile am Náthe agus ó Bhaile Átha Clia. Seo ghead bliain sa gradam agus tá riamid orn a bheith sa bhabhte canis agus táid bróidil a bhaint as na Gaeilge in our cuasaí gró le hula. Providing excellent customer service is the core of our business. We feel it's important to introduce Gaeilge in our day-to-day operations. We spent 11 years building an excellent reputation as a safe, reliable and friendly transport company. We reach out to customers via our social media and we have a strong online presence. And over the last 6 to 8 months, we've begun introducing Gaeilge across those platforms, engaging in Irish with our customers, encouraging customers and our team to use the cúpla focal and hopefully inspiring other businesses to do the same. We feel it's important as it demonstrates to our customers that our language and our culture are important to us and that they are also. If we can embrace it in our correspondence, on the phone, if they come into our office and they hear a Gia Gwitch, a Garav Magat or a Slán, then we're delighted to do it.